Hey friends, if you wish to turn on Google Translate in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and click on Chrome. Click on this More Settings option here, and then you will find an option for settings. Now search for Translate. Okay, now you'll find Google Translate here. So you can turn it on. It is actually on by default, but the translation language is English. If you want it, then you can change it to something else. Now let us say that you are going to a Russian website. Okay, we don't understand the Russian language. Let us say that we are going to some website like the Moscow Times. This one is, I guess, written in English, but let's say that we went to some other Russian website, the Russian government's website. So it will start automatically translating that to English. I'll show you. So it is automatically translating it to English. So you saw that it was in Russian, it was a .ru website, but it translated it into English. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.